Celebrate with your heart. World Heart Day 2020. Your heart is one of the most important organs of your body. The average adult human heart is the size of a human fist and it pumps blood throughout the body. The heart helps supply oxygen to the body and removes carbon dioxide and other waste. World Heart Day is observed on 29 September every year. This was instituted by the World Heart Federation, the WHF, and the first World Heart Day was celebrated internationally in the year 2000. The idea for this annual event was conceived by Antoni Bias de Luna, president of the WHF. This day is celebrated with an aim to improve health globally by encouraging people to make lifestyle changes and promoting education internationally about keeping your heart healthy. This lesson is becoming increasingly relevant as reports of obesity, poor diet, and physical inactivity in children and young people become more and more common. Diseases that affect humans can be divided into two broad categories: communicable diseases, those that one person can pass on to another person, and non-communicable diseases. Did you know that almost half of all the non-communicable disease deaths happen because of cardiovascular disease? This makes it a big danger across the world. World Heart Day is the perfect platform for communities to come together in the battle against cardiovascular disease and lower the worldwide disease burden. Let us have a look at some devices that help monitor our heart and help those with heart problems. Can you name this commonly seen device? This is an acoustic device used to listen to the sounds inside a human or animal body. It is most commonly used to listen to the beats of a heart. This useful device is a symbol of healthcare professionals, as doctors and nurses are usually depicted wearing a stethoscope around their neck. Can you name this device that helps in creating heartbeat? This is called a pacemaker. It is a biomedical device that is battery operated. It is connected to the heart of patients who have a problem with the way their heart beats. The pacemaker senses irregularities in the heartbeat and sends an electric signal to the heart to beat at the correct pace. This is a stent used to unblock arteries. Sometimes people get minor or complete blockages in tubes, the arteries of their heart. This balloon-like device is inserted through a tube and then inflated to clear the blockage. Here are some fun facts about the human heart. Usually, a woman's heart beats a little faster than that of a man. If we stretch all the blood vessels that form our circulatory system, they would extend over 60,000 miles. The average resting heartbeat of an adult is 60 to 90 beats per minute. Athletes who train regularly have a lower resting heartbeat of 40 to 60 beats per minute. The human heart is located at the center of the chest, usually pointing slightly to the left. The sound of a heartbeat is made due to the closing of the 4 valves of the heart. More than 90 countries participate in observing World Heart Day each year. To get an idea of how hard your heart works for your body, you can take a tennis ball and squeeze it tightly. This is how hard a heart works to pump blood. Exercising regularly, eating healthy food, and having a proper sleep schedule are simple ways to keep your heart and body fit. Laughing is also very good for your heart and immune system.